Honorable Robert Basil, Honorable Babu Awino, Honorable Francis Masara, Honorable Abdikadir Muhammad. Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. Let's wait for 30 seconds. Check the 30 seconds and we log in. Okay, honorable members, you may now log in. You may now log in. And at the expiry of 60 seconds, then you may vote. You have an option to vote yes, an option to vote no, or an option to abstain. Proceed. Yes. We're waiting for 60 seconds to pass.
So you now announce for them to vote now.
Yes, yes. They're logging. Yes. Okay, honorable members, it is now time. You may now vote. You may now vote. Go and listen to them. Just ignore them. I think they are doing it deliberately. Voting has not been done. They have to display how many are in attendance first. Okay, there is a bit of a challenge with the system. Just hold on for a few minutes. It's being addressed. It's being addressed.